everyone. So we are on our way for mom's 5th chemo session, which is starting today, and I thought to document this entire day to show you how the entire procedure is like, and the hospital we are getting mom admitted to, and how many days it's gonna take, how many hours long does one chemo session take, and all that details. I don't think so I'll be able to shoot inside the hospital because I need to keep running around and chasing the doctors, but I'll try to show you as much as I can. So yeah, here we go. Almost ready to go to the hospital, and I have just worn a casual tee and a very casual trousers. So this is the one that I got from the Monday Bazaar. I have already uploaded the shorts here. You can go and check it out. And what I figured out is that especially when you visit a hospital, try to wear the most comfortable dress that you own, because there's a lot of running around and chasing around to do, and you need to be very sure that above all the problems you have, at least you feel comfortable in what you're wearing. So I don't have a clean full length mirror to show you, but you can just see it here. So we reached the hospital in just 10 to 15 minutes, but after coming there we got to know that the doctor was busy in ICU and we had to wait for almost 2 to 3 hours before we could finally show to her. तो 2-3 घंटे वेट करने के बाद finally we were able to consult with the doctor, and we went ahead with admitting her for her next chemo session. We were a little bit skeptical that whether this current session will be delayed or not, because उनका WBC और platelet count काफ़ी कम हो चुका था, but the doctor said that it was not below a certain threshold, which is why we went ahead with this chemo session. While we were waiting for the pre-meds to start, one of the doctors visited and told us that the chemo will begin only the next day because her WBC count was less. But then after waiting for a few more hours, one of the senior doctors confirmed that no, the delay was unnecessary and all the medicines will be given to her post-discharge. So we could start with the chemo session immediately. और ये सुन के हम काफ़ी खुश हो गए थे because we knew that the later we started, the delayed it will get. Hi, so अभी तो रात के 10:30 बज गए हैं and I look very very tired because I am tired. तो what we do is that usually पापा और मैं हम दोनों चले जाते हैं, and as I already mentioned कि मम्मी को यहाँ पे Monday afternoon तक तो रहना पड़ता ही है. So while I was reading this book in the hospital, I came across this beautiful quote which was perfectly timed, and I think I read it in the right moment. It says that God never burdens us with more than we can bear. Hello, so we finally reached home, and it took us approximately say 10-15 minutes to reach, and अभी हम थोड़ा cooking कर रहे हैं. Let me show you what is on our dinner menu today, which is very very simple, but it's my comfort food. So this is a very simple authentic Assamese dish called aloo pitika that is usually served with rice. It is made by smashing boiled potatoes and mixing them with finely chopped onion, chilies, coriander, mustard oil and salt. So here we are, this is the day 2 and we are on our way to hospital. It's around 10:30 AM in the morning, and I don't know ये सिर्फ मेरे साथ होता है क्या, but every time I visit my mom I get a little bit anxious, but the moment I see her I feel so relieved. The moment we reached the hospital, it started raining heavily, and that's how the entire day was. I didn't shoot a lot of clips because I spent my time chatting with my mom. She was doing fine, so that was a good sign, and soon we were on our way back home. So here we are finally on our day 3, and it is a Sunday. So third day में तो मैंने बिल्कुल भी shoot नहीं किया था because my mom was not doing very well, which is why I was also feeling pretty low. तो मैं एक कोने में जाके I started reading to feel a little better, and soon it was time for us to go back home. So every time we return while leaving mom in the hospital, we feel really terrible about it. So for the first few sessions, पापा रहा करते थे, but then it started taking toll on his health, जिसके बाद this is what we resorted to. घर पहुंचने के बाद तो कुछ और ही सीन था. We noticed a mouse and we had to get rid of it. Hi all. So it's I think 11:37. It's 11:37 p.m. and I'm so sorry I couldn't shoot the moment my mom came back. I just got very busy cleaning the house and also taking care of her as soon as she came in. For those who might be interested to know, she is okay. She is very weak, and because of her low WBC and platelet count, she has got even weaker. And doctor has suggested her with a list of medicines that includes 3 injections. Yeah, apart from that, I will keep updating you how it goes and what are the post chemo effects. Apart from that, it was a very difficult day for me throughout because the Wi-Fi wasn't working at all, and I literally had so much work to do at office. So I had a word with the landowner, and he was kind enough to share me his own personal Wi-Fi router details, but I have to sit in a specific corner of the house to get access to it, and it's pretty unstable. Meanwhile, I have been reading this particular book, The 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak. It has gotten very, very popular, and now that I'm reading it and I almost completed 200 pages, I kind of understand why has it become so famous and why it's one of the international bestsellers. I will be reviewing this particular book maybe in a separate video, but I think this particular series ends now. Thank you so much for watching the video and being interested to see how this journey looks like, and I'll see you guys on your next video.